Hey there, music lovers, welcome to our channel. Are you looking for a reliable and high quality sound card for your home studio? Well, you are in luck because today we are reviewing the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 sound card 3rd generation with me right here. Let's take a look at what is in the box. Oh god, I've been waiting for this so long. Okay. You get a Scarlett 2i2 sound card, a USB cable, and a quick start guide, which is this, the USB cable, and a quick start guide, which is also this. We can leave this for now. The sound card itself is a compact and sturdy with a sleek red silver design. Ooh. You can actually see it. It's sleek and red. So what makes the Scarlett 2i2 so special? It's got 2 combo inputs of microphones or instruments, 2 line outputs of headphones for the outputs. It also features a 24-bit/192 kHz or 192 frequency audio resolution, low latency, and Focusrite renowned preamps. Setting up the Scarlett 2i2 is a breeze. Simply plug it in, download the Focusrite control software, and you're good to go. So let's start with that. Ooh. I got it plugged in, guys, and it gave my system a notification that okay, the software device is plugged in. I'll show you the display right now. So now this is how it indicates when it is plugged in without any software. Now let's talk sound quality. The Scarlett 2i2 delivers crystal clear audio with plenty of headroom. It's perfect for recording vocals, instruments, and even live streams. Whoa, this is a lot to handle, bro. In conclusion, this Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 3rd generation sound card is a fantastic choice for everyone looking for a reliable and high quality sound card. It is easy to use, sound amazing, and won't break the bank. Please like, follow, and comment. Thank you. Oh my, I go like this thing, girl. My money no be waste, sha. With discount prices and best quality, get this Focusrite from Peculiar Musical right on my description link, right on my description below.